Now today, let's start with chapter number 2, Personalizing Windows 10 Environment. How we will personalize our Windows 10 environment. Now in this chapter, I will tell you about opening the personalization setting and how will be the changing the color scheme using your throughout Windows 10. How will change the theme of the Windows 10 and how will change the background. How will we customize the lock screen and changing appearance of the start. How we will change the appearance. Now, Microsoft Windows, it is the most popular operating system and has many versions. It has many versions. Some popular versions are Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. And Windows 11, it is the latest version of MS. Windows 11, it is the latest version of MS. The first screen that appears after loading the operating system with a labeled picture. Okay, the first screen that appears with the labeled, your labeled picture, it is known as desktop. Now it consists of icon and taskbar. We have different icons and taskbar. And most popular way of personalizing a Windows 10 PC has to be, आप उसके appearance को जैसा चाहे वैसा change कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Windows 10 looks, but the first step for all them is accessing the personalization setting. First is opening the personalization setting. To open the personalization setting, what you will do, follow any one of the method. आपको कोई एक method को follow करना है. First step, first method. What you will do, you will go to start button. You will go to start button and then click on the setting option and click on the personalization option. And then a personalization option exists and there you will click on the personalization. Second method is what you will do, you will click on the right click on the blank area of the desktop. And then you will click on the personalization option. And after clicking on the personalization option, this background will be opened for. The personalization windows appear and change the color scheme used through Windows 10. Set a desktop background. Whatever background you want to set, you can set. And you can also change Windows 10 theme and lock screen also and change the appearance of the start menu. If you want to change the appearance of the start menu, you can also change its appearance. Next is setting the desktop background. Now you have to set setting a desktop background. The pictures appears as a background on the desktop is called wallpaper. And the choice of desktop background usually reflect our personal taste. What we like to see and when our application is minimized or not. We can set our desktop background to any three types of background like picture, solid color and slide. First is picture. To set a picture as a desktop background, some steps I will tell you that you have to follow. First is to select background option. Select the picture option from background drop-down menu. Then select the desired picture. Then you have to select the desired picture and select suitable option from choose a pet drop menu. Now solid color. If you have to set a solid color on a desktop background, what you will do, first you will go to background option, select solid color option from the background drop-down menu and select the desired color. Whatever color you want to select, you can select from here and it will be shown at your. Now slideshow. To use slideshow for desktop background, what you will open? Personalization window you will open and you will follow some steps like select the background option. Step 2, select slideshow option from background drop-down menu and the select folder dialog box. Then you will click the browse button. And by clicking on the browse button, you can browse the background of your choice. And select the folder, click on the choose this folder button. Now step 6, specify the time after which you want the picture to change by choosing the value from the change picture drop down menu. Then step 7, you will select suitable option from the choose a fit drop down menu. Now changing the color scheme used throughout the Windows 10. By default, Windows 10 will use a black taskbar, a dark gray start menu and accent color. And it will be automatically chosen from the background. What it will do, the background will be automatically chosen from the background and these pretty easy to change. And so we want to learn how to pick these colors to your preference. Now to change the color scheme, if you have to change the color scheme, then open personalization window and follow the steps. What you will do, you will select color option, select the color option. And after selecting color option, what you will do, To set a window accent color, set a automatically pick accent color from them. What you will select, कि automatically क्या करे वो select कर ले color को. And to set a color of start menu taskbar and action center, set shows color on the start action. And the title bar option is on and you will choose the color. To make the start menu in taskbar transparent, set the make start taskbar action center transparent option. Okay, you will on it. Then what is customization? Customizing the window 10 locks. Now we will customize how we will customize window 10 locks. Lock screen is the screen. Lock screen, it is the screen that appears at the time of Windows startup and when you don't work on the system for some time. And lock screen will always shows the time and date while it sits there waiting for us to click and to lock. But we can do so much more with it too. We can customize the appearance of the lock screen. We can not only change the picture displayed but also show information from some app. Now changing lock screen image is just as simple as changing the background. जैसे आप background को change करते हैं, ऐसे आप lock screen की image को कर सकते हैं, change कर सकते हैं. To change the window 10 lock screen, open personalization window and you will follow the steps. What are the steps? First, you will select lock screen option and then select picture or slideshow. Then you will click on browse button and choose an app to show a details feature and 7 other apps to show quick apps. Now, we want to change the window 10 theme. A theme, it is a combination of desktop background picture, window accent colors and sound. We can apply a theme if we don't want to make personal setting for desktop background, window accent color, lock screen, etc. And to change the window 10 theme, open personalization window and follow the steps. What you will do, you will select the theme option and select the theme setting option and select the desired theme. And whatever theme you want to choose from this, you can. Now desktop icon setting. By default, window 10 desktop contain recycle bin icon. In order to place other icon, open personalization window. And you will follow some steps like select the theme option. First, you will select theme option, select desktop icon setting option. Tick and choose the icon that you want to place on the desktop. You will tick and choose the icon, whatever icon you want to choose from the desktop. And the desktop icon dialog box. Then click OK button. What you will click, then you will click on the OK button. Changing the appearance of the start menu. Now what we have to do, we have to change the appearance of the start menu. To change the appearance of the start menu, open personalization window and follow these steps. You will follow these steps. What are the steps? Like first you will select the start option and then ensure that apps or programs that have been used recently are displayed in the start menu or set as the show most used app. To display the start menu, info screen, use start screen option. Click on choose which folder appears on the start option and choose the folder to be displayed in the start. Whatever folder is you want to display on the start menu, you can display. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.